Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, or sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one? Mom, babes,
I'm gonna do my Lisa Frank cheetah print on.
Lisa Frank cheetah print.
And it's for me to keep it because I haven't kept one in a really long time.
She has not. But that's okay. If you like it, we can make you one just like it. As close as we can get. Gonna start out as a nice spiral, I see. No, that's not a time lapse, folks. She's just that fast. To the dyeing rack. Feel good in the hand.
Good weight.
You always want to make sure the tie-dye feels good in your hand before you start putting color on it.
Absolutely. Lisa Frank cheetah print. Let's see how this works.
Here we go. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, if you have any design ideas, we have a whole list of everything that every reasonable person has ever told us. And our next session that we do live, we're gonna do all those designs live on camera. So far it's only like 6, so if you have any other ideas, let us know in the comments below. We're gonna pick like the top, I'd say 4 to 6 of them, and do them all live for you as a, I guess, I don't know, 15K celebration maybe, who knows. Thanks for all you who recently subscribed. New videos every single day. Also, what's everyone's thoughts on removing the YouTube dislike button? Because we don't know how we feel about it. So let us know how you feel about it. We've never turned ours off though, so if that tells you anything about how we feel about it. So what all colors we have on this one?
So far we have hot pink, orange sorbet, citrus yellow,
Any other colors going to be added, or?
yes.
Oh, cool.
Going to go in with this lime pop.
Limers pop. We're also going to do, probably our next recording session, we're going to do some cool designs on our tie-dyes. We're going to make our dyes with some super clear and just do all sorts of cool designs. So let us know what patterns and what colors you would like and what designs maybe you'd like. Nothing too outlandish, but yeah, let us know. Probably gonna do a Thanksgiving special too, I'm sure. And any SEC teams comment, or any football teams in general comment, we'll do a shirt for you. So all told on this one we have
hot pink. We have
hot pink, orange sorbet, lemon yellow, hot pink, orange sorbet, citrus yellow, glacier blue,
lime pop,
and lavender.
And we're going for a kind of cheetah print design.
Cool. I've never seen the design in question that she's referring to. I'm sure I probably have and just don't remember. But That's not what little boys were into in the 90s, I can guarantee you. That was like the LL Bean. That was the cool thing. Oh, Bean's expensive too. We're also in the process of procuring pajama pants, which is going to be real cool. So we might actually have those for the next one. Maybe not next video, next filming session, but the one after that for sure. So stay tuned for that. I know a lot of people have highly requested pajama pants, so they are on their way.
Oh no.
Whoa.
It's okay.
Oh no, 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 no.
That's okay. He's okay. I fix.
Yeah. Luckily, sorbet's one of those colors that doesn't, you can get rid of it if you need to. Good old orange sorbet. Rainbow spotted spiral. Looks pretty good to me.
I think we're good.
Getting close. Good.
Alright, let's go.
To the drying rack. Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.